Hello everyone and welcome to the smoothie cooking video. Today we will show you how to make a smoothie that will remind you of your trips to the tropics. It's perfect for those hot summer days and for breakfast. This smoothie is made with mango and pineapple. To make the smoothie, it's important that you use frozen fruit so that you obtain that refreshing result. To make approximately 4 cups of smoothie, you need 1 cup or 170 grams of frozen mango pieces, 1 cup or 150 grams of frozen pineapple pieces, 2 cups of orange juice, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, you mix everything with your blender. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. See you next time and bon appétit.